Class 12 solid state. New concept of the solid. Solid is that whose constituent particles, that is atoms, molecules and ions, are arranged in a definite order. एक डेफिनिट ऑर्डर में कंस्टिट्यूएंट पार्टिकल्स यदि अरेंज्ड हों तो उसे हम सॉलिड कहते हैं. टाइप ऑफ सॉलिड: क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड, amorphous solid. In crystalline solid, constituent particles are arranged in a definite order, whereas in amorphous solid, the constituent particles are not arranged in a proper order. Example of the amorphous solid is glass, rubber and plastic. Example of crystalline solid is NaCl, CaCl, diamond. Type of crystalline solids. Type of crystalline solid: ionic solid, covalent solid, molecular solid, metallic solid. Molecular solid has three types: polar molecular solid, non-polar molecular solid, and hydrogen bonded molecular solids. In ionic solid, ionic bond is found. In covalent solid, covalent bond is found. In metallic solid, metallic bond is found. And in non-polar molecular solid, dispersion force is found. In polar molecular solid, dipole interaction force is found. And in hydrogen bonded molecular solid, hydrogen bond is found. Example of the ionic solid: NaCl, CaCl. Important example of the covalent solid: diamond, graphite, quartz, SiO2. Silicon dioxide is called quartz. Example of the metallic solids: all metals and alloy are the examples of the metallic solids. Examples of non-polar molecular solid: iodine, solid carbon dioxide. Example of the polar molecular solid: solid HCl and solid SO2. And example of hydrogen bonded molecular solid is ice, बर्फ. ये आपका हो गया सॉलिड स्टेट में क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड्स. And the important example of the amorphous solid is glass, rubber and plastic.